Welcome to AI Voyage. Are you tired of pulling all-nighters and feeling unprepared for your exams? Do you want to ace your tests and achieve your academic goals? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be sharing the best tips and tricks for studying and acing exams. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take some notes. Tip number 1: time management is key. Create a study schedule that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Divide your time evenly between studying, taking breaks, and reviewing your notes. This will help you stay focused and prevent burnout. Tip number 2: find a study method that works for you. Whether it's making flashcards, taking practice tests, or watching educational videos, figure out what helps you retain information the best. Tip number 3: stay organized. Keep track of your assignments, deadlines, and exam dates in a planner or calendar. This will help you stay on top of your workload and avoid procrastination. Tip number 4: take care of your physical and mental health. Get enough sleep. Eat healthy, exercise, and take breaks to reduce stress. Your well-being is just as important as your academic success. Tip number 5: collaborate with classmates. Form study groups, ask for help when you need it, and share your knowledge with others. This will not only benefit you but also create a supportive and encouraging learning environment. Thank you for watching our video on the best tips and tricks for studying and acing exams. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident in your academic journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember, with hard work, dedication, and the right mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Happy studying!